Now I am going to say bridge course. What is bridge course? A bridge course is a preparation of course with an academic curriculum that is offered to mature students as a means of preparing for the intellectual challenges of a school education, successful completion of which is recognized as a basis of admission to the school. What is accounting principles? It is nothing but accounting principles are the basic norms and assumptions developed and established as the basis for accounting system. These principles are adopted by the accountants universally. These accounting principles provide uniformity and consistency in the accounting methods and process. Such accounting principles are known as generally accepted accounting principles. It means GAAP. Accounting concepts are the basic assumptions or conditions upon which accounting has been laid. Accounting concepts are the result of broad consensus. The word concept means a notion or abstraction which is generally accepted. Accounting concepts provide unifying structure to the accounting process and accounting reports. The word convention refers to traditions or usage. The accounting conventions are the usage of or practices which are followed as the guide to the preparation of accounting statements. The utility of these accounting conventions have been recognized by regulatory authorities of accountancy in making financial statements more realistic, reliable and useful to all concerned parties. The important accounting concepts and conventions are discussed below. First one, cost concept. Assets are recorded or at cost price. An asset is recorded in the books on the basis of historical cost, that is, the acquisition of the cost. Cost of acquisition will be the base for all further accounting. It does not mean that the asset will always be shown at cost. It is recorded at cost at the time of its purchase, but is systematically reduced in its book value by charging depreciation. The cost concept has the following limitations. What are the limitations? In an inflationary situation, when prices of commodities increase, valuing the assets at historical cost may not represent the true position of the business. The result of a business units established at different dates are not comparable if assets are recorded on historical basis. Assets which do not have acquisition cost, such as human resources, are not recognized under this concept. Next one, dual aspect concept. According to this concept, every transaction or event has two aspects. It is a dual effect. This is the concept which recognizes the fact that for every debit, there is a corresponding and equal credit. This is the base of the entire system of double entry bookkeeping. From this concept arises the basic accounting equation, that is, capital plus liabilities is equal to assets. And next, business entity. This concept implies that a business unit is separate and distinct from the owner or owners. That is, the persons who supply capital to it. Based on this concept, accounts are prepared from the point of view of the business and not from the owner's point of view. Hence, the business is liable to the owner for the capital contributed by him or her. According to this concept, only business transactions are recorded in the books of accountancy. Personal transactions of the owners are not recorded, but their transaction with the business, such as capital contributed of the business or cash withdrawn from the business for the personal use, will be recorded in the books of accounts. It implies that the business itself owner of assets and owes liabilities. And next one, money measurement concept. This concept implies that only those transactions which can be expressed in terms of money are recorded in the accounts. Since money serves as the medium of exchange, transactions expressed in money are recorded and the ruling currency of country is the measuring utility for accounting. Transactions which do not involve money will not be recorded in the books of accountancy. For example, working condition in the workplace, strike by employees, it will not be recorded in the books as they cannot be expressed in the terms of money. And going concern concept. It is the basic assumption that business is going concern and will continue its operation for a foreseeable future. Going concern concept influences accounting practices in relation that valuation of assets and liabilities, depreciation of the fixed assets, treatment of outstanding and prepaid expenses, and accrued and unearned revenues. For example, assets are generally valued at historical cost. Any increase or decrease in the value of assets in the short period is ignored. Matching concept. According to this concept, revenues during an accounting period are matched with expenses incurred during that period to earn the revenue during that period. This concept is based on accrual concept and the periodically concept. Periodicity concept fixes the time frame for measuring performance and determining financial status. All expenses paid during the period are not considered, but only the expenses related to the accounting period are considered. Realization. According to this concept, any change in value of an asset to be recorded only when the business realizes it. When assets are recorded at historical value, any change in value is to be accounted only when it realizes. Convention of consistency. The consistency convention implies that the accounting policies must be followed consistently from one accounting period to another. The results of different years will be comparable only when same accounting policies are followed from year to year. For example, if your firm follows the straight line method of charging depreciation since its purchase or construction, the method should be followed without any changes. However, it does not mean the changes are not possible. Change in accounting policy can be incorporated in the following circumstances: to comply with the provision of law, to comply with accounting standards issue, and to reflect true and fair view of state of affairs of the business.